Here at the spot, so pretty much I'm getting ready to take off the tire because we're gonna try to fix a hose right there. I'll get to it right there, you can kind of see it. And also while we're here, replace that upper control arm that's pretty worn. New one that I bought a long time ago from Rock Auto. It's a Moog. Driver's side's been done, not this one. So right now, considering that I have to replace that hose, meanwhile let the car cool down, I'm gonna try to pretty much take care of this real quick, see how that goes. And as you can see, this one seems better days. So pretty much it's I think a 12 or 14, a few up there. But now we're gonna take off the battery off, go ahead, take out this castle nut, and then we're gonna take out one right there, one right there, and just hammer it out and it should come out. It's a 17, hammered it out with my hammer right there, hammer it out. Now it's loose. So take out the castle nut and do the ones on the side. So now when you look at this one, it has play like a motherfucker. This one's cooked, and this one nice and straight. So pretty much time to put it back in. So we have the 14s that go in there nice and snug. So now it's to get this aligned, put it in there. After that, we're gonna leave it loose. We're gonna start with the inner part of the radiator hose, and then once the cart's under weight, I'll go ahead and tighten everything. Yeah, not too bad. Got it torqued down to 32, and I just kind of adjusted the castle nut so you can go ahead and put the pin, and then we're gonna go ahead, torque down the upper ones and put back the tire, and pretty much we're done on this side. There you go. So we got it nice and tight. So these coilovers are not gonna stay. We got some better ones. I do have some adjustable either True Heart or Skunk 2 Pros that I'm gonna slap on, but just for right now, we're gonna use these for meanwhile. Head and torque this 14 and this 14 to 45. Car lifted on the driver's side, radiators on this side, so kind of be like this. So I'm going underneath, and we're gonna drain the coolant. That way we can work on that one coolant. And the reason we're here is that hose right there. You can kind of see it's been leaking coolant, so we're gonna go ahead and take out that tool right here. Made it a lot easier. We're able to get that one clamp, that one and that one off. So all we gotta do now is, as you can see, it was kind of really stuck on there. So considering that I'm not gonna be using this hose, went ahead and cut it off. Pretty much we took out the other hose that goes to the heater. As you can see, this one was leaking before, so I just Mickey Moused and cut it, but this one, the hose is already soft. So I got another one from the junkyard. Should be a lot better condition. And there goes the other one. Pain in the ass. So got that one in. That one goes to the heater core. Got that one in. Now I got the one that was damaged right there, and I got this one done too. And it seems like it's under pretty good. So now we have the radiator out. Reason why is just because, I mean, I'm having issues with pressure buildup. Could be the head gasket, or it could just be an issue with the radiator. So I know I've already bought a new one, so I'm just gonna go swap it out. I mean, this one I can always save for another Honda, still in good condition. So we just gotta swap this, the cooling fan onto the new unit, and there we go. Have everything back together. Had a small leak. Hose on the bottom wasn't done, so now wasn't clamped on all the way. My fault. Now we just have the car on, have the heater on, have our funnel. We have the car up high, so try to get to the highest point. We're just gonna watch out for any potential leaks around there or back there. And then from there, once the fans kick in, the heater works, we're good to go. Quick update, the car did hit 202 and the fan started on, so now we have the heater on and it's starting to feel hot, so I'm just gonna wait for it to get up to temp. Once the fans kick in again and the heaters were working nice and toasty, then we're pretty Gucci. See, the fans are kicking in with the heater on, so that's a good sign. Nice and hot. Getting a few bubbles here and there, but nothing too wild. All the hoses seem to be holding up, nothing's leaking. The radiator. A lot of cycles with the heater on and the fans kicking, so far I don't see any more coolant. I'm gonna wait for the fans to kick in one more time. After that I'm just gonna button everything up. So far no leaks in the hoses that we installed. The radiators all good, so hopefully this stops the pressure, the pressure issue I've been having, but if not, then back to the drawing board.